Hi friends, welcome to my channel Wisdom Academy Class 7. Today we are going to learn Chapter 13 Motion and Time. Class 7 Science Ncert Part 1. Come, let's go to the chapter. So students, the topic to be covered in this lesson are the terms which includes motion, rest, slow and fast motion, types of motion, speed, distance, time, speedometer and odometer, distance time graph, and recap of the formulas included in this lesson. So students, in this video, we will be learning about the first topic of this chapter. Come, let's start learning. So students, the first topic of this chapter is the terms motion, rest, slow and fast motion. Now let's see the first term. So students, the first term is motion. What do you mean by motion? Any moving object is called motion. But scientifically, in physics, in science, when a body changes its position with time and with respect to its surroundings, the body is said to be in motion. So what is motion? When a body changes its position with time. For example, take a car. At 9 o'clock, it is standing in a position. Okay. At 9:05, it's changing its position. With time, it's changing its position. So it's to be in motion. When it changes its position, the surroundings also change. With respect to its surroundings, it changes its position. So the body is said to be in motion. So now let's go to the next term, that is rest. So students, what do you mean by rest? Normally we mean rest means sitting in a chair and just watching a movie or just eating a popcorn. Yes, right? But scientifically, rest means when the position of a body does not change with time and with respect to its surroundings, the body is said to be at rest. In simple words, when the position of the body is not in motion. They are saying that does not change with time and with respect to its surroundings. What is motion? The opposite. It changes, but it doesn't change in rest. So, it is not in the motion. That is called rest. In simple words, rest means a body, when the position of a body does not in a motion, is called rest. So now let's go to the next term, slow and fast motion. So students, if I make you stand in a road and just leave two cars in front of you and I just let them start as if in a straight line, after some time I will let them stop and I'll ask you the question. Which one was faster? Will you be able to answer that question? Yes. Because one who is before the other is the fastest. And the next one is the slowest. You can all say that easily. So there are two ways to compare whether an object is slow or fast. So let's see the two ways. So students, one method of comparing whether the object is slow or fast is compare the distance covered by them in a unit time. For example, the same two cars. I'm making you stand on a road. I'm letting you stand on a road. And I'm leaving two cars. And I'm giving them I'm giving them a time. Let me say 10 minutes. Let me say 10 minutes. Let them go in a rectilinear motion, in a straight path. In that 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will ask you, which car was faster? You can easily say that because the distance covered, for say car 1 covered 20 kilometers in 10 minutes. And for example, the car 2 covered 10 kilometers in 10 minutes. Who is faster? Obviously the car 1, because that car compared to this car compared to this car, it covered a larger distance. It covered a larger distance. So that is the fastest car. So the next another way to find whether the object is slow or fast is compare the time taken by them to cover the given distance. Let me say the same roads, the same cars, car 1, car 2. I'm giving the constant distance because for example, I'm giving them 5 kilometer and letting them go. After they reach 5 kilometer, I am just keeping a timer. I'm setting a timer and I'm just making them stop. For example, car 1 covered 5 kilometer in 5 minutes and car 2 covered 5 kilometer in 10 minutes. Which took long time? That is obviously car 2. So car 1 was faster. So I hope you all understood this topic. So with this, we end the topic 1 of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.